That's Julie's cookie, Livy. No, no! That is not yours. Let's call it a biscuit. That's Julie's biscuit. No, no, no. Julie, no. Don't give her that. It's yours. Livy, stop. Stop it. Julie, is that yummy? Julie. Julie, look at Mama. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? But she wants it, Ma. No. Don't give it to her. Don't do it.